I was at Walmart about 3 weeks ago, and they had the foam covers on sale for like $1. I mean, they were cheap. And then I got it home, I put it on, and then I realized that the corners are not done, and they're not really clean. So I was like, well, I could cut them at an angle, but I figured I had just left them like that with the corners out. But I was at Home Depot and I saw corner ones that you just hooked right to it, that were already pre-made. However, they were like $5 a piece. So what we're gonna do is make this so that when you fold it over, you get a 90-degree. Like I said, I could have just cut the ends off, but I kind of like the cleaner look of this. Plus I can make different sizes. I can size these a little better. So to get this is V-notch it, as you can see. So to get this, we just cut a V. That's attention to detail.